Hello and welcome back. We are first starting off with our liquid latex, and I'm going to start carving out the mouth with this flesh tone liquid latex there, and we're going in layers here. So as I'm letting the mouth portion dry, I'm going to move on to the neck here and kind of go vice versa until I kind of build up the thickness. Once the liquid latex has dried, I'm going in with the back end of a tweezer, and I'm just kind of opening up the mouth portion there, just kind of scraping along the sides. For some added texture, I'm dabbing a little bit more of that liquid latex. So here I'm taking my fingers and I'm just really opening up the wounds. I really want it to look like as if flesh is hanging. So I just kind of keep doing that until I'm happy with how it looks. So next is foundation, and I'm just going in with a super thin layer here, just enough to kind of blend in the liquid latex with my skin. Next, I'm taking the NYX Liquid Suede in Cherry Skies, and I just thought it was the perfect red as my base. It's not too light, not too dark. It also has a matte finish, so it is perfect for this. So next I'm going in with this scabula that I picked up from the Halloween store. And I first started applying this with a Q-tip. It was fairly difficult. It was not sticking right. So then I just ended up dipping my fingers in there and it worked out a lot better. So here I'm testing out these eyes I also picked up from the Halloween store. And then first we have to black out our eyes. With that I'm going with a cream black pencil, and then topping that off with powder just to really darken those eyes. So here I'm laying down some spirit gum to stick on the eyes, and that was not enough, so I went in with some liquid latex as well. Now we're going to go in with that NYX cream pencil, and I'm just using that to kind of, again, add some dimension to the outer eyes. So now to get things a little bit more blooded, we're going in with a liquid blood. I also mixed that with a scabbing blood. And I'm just putting that all over the eyes, the mouth, and the neck. You know, here is where you could kind of get creative and just kind of let that run down all over the face there as much as you like. And that is it for this bloody, gory Halloween look. I truly hope you guys enjoy it, and I want to thank you so much for watching.